In the old days, if you wanted to earn money, you only had two choices. You could get a job or start your own business. But of course, starting a business can be hard and expensive. But when the internet got going, it wasn't long before tons of people started selling their products online with e-commerce. Unfortunately, many of these online store owners were so busy setting up their website, building inventory, and everything else that they didn't have time to figure out how they were going to get people to visit their website in the first place. For many of them, it was just like putting up a billboard in the middle of the desert. They built their site, but no one came. In internet terms, they had no traffic to their online store. Now, some of these store owners learned how to do search engine optimization, or SEO, and they got their websites to show up at the top of Google when people were searching for products like theirs. For example, they might have taken the training course Stomping the Search Engines, published by Stompernet, one of the leading internet marketing training companies, and learned how to get top rankings in Google for free. And that was great. But unfortunately, there weren't too many companies like Stompernet who would teach you how to do this, and it was expensive to hire someone else to do it for you. Other e-commerce merchants started paying big bucks to Google and Yahoo to advertise in the paid listings in their search results. On Google, this is called the AdWords program. But you have to pay Google every time someone clicks on your ad. That's why they call it pay-per-click advertising. And you have to pay Google regardless of whether that website visitor actually buys anything or not. And if you have an e-commerce store, those click charges can really get expensive. Fortunately, it wasn't long before someone really smart invented affiliate marketing. And a whole new industry was born, and it took off like wildfire. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, for e-commerce store owners, it was the holy grail. With affiliate marketing, store owners can have other websites or bloggers, or even anybody with a Facebook page called affiliates, refer customers to their e-commerce store simply by putting a special link to the store on the affiliate's website. And getting all those referrals doesn't cost the store owner a nickel, unless the customer who comes to the store through the special affiliate link actually buys something. In fact, it's no wonder all the major online retailers started their own affiliate programs. Almost everyone does it, from Amazon and Office Depot to Best Buy and Bed Bath & Beyond. They all have an affiliate program, and all the affiliates have to do is put their special affiliate link on their blog or website or Facebook page. Then, if one of their website visitors clicks the link and visits the store and buys something, they automatically get a referral fee. That's called an affiliate commission. In short, affiliates can make money simply by linking to online stores and products that they like. And they don't need to start a business or hire people or create products or buy inventory or deal with customer service or any of that stuff. How's that for an awesome business model? But now, UCast is taking e-commerce to a whole new level, and you can take advantage of it right now. In fact, in the next video, you'll see how you can make money with UCast and even get your own digital media store on UCast for free.